Now, one thing that we need to do for our membership is to give our users a place to log in regardless of where they are on our site. And the way that we are going to do that is to install a Sidebar login plugin. And we're going to go to the Add New Plugins. And when we get there, we're going to type in Sidebar Login. We're going to hit Enter, and it's going to actually search. And you're going to see the Sidebar Login right here with the most installs, and you're just going to click Install. Once you've done that, you're going to click Activate. And then on every page that you have, you will actually have a place for your users to log in wherever they are. Now, in order to get the Sidebar login to show, we're going to need to go into the Appearance, and then we're going to need to go into our Widget section. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get the Sidebar login box, and we're going to drag it into the Sidebar. And then WordPress will give you some customization. You can pretty much leave this as the default, and then you're going to click Save. Now what's going to happen is that every page that you have in your membership and on your site is going to have a Sidebar login. And so we're going to go and look at one right now. We're just going to go to the front page here. And then we're going to find one of our pages. And you're going to notice our Sidebar login. We can log out, we can take a look at our profile, and then we can go straight to the dashboard, and this is actually what our customer is going to see. Obviously, this has been made over for the theme that we're using, as yours will be made over for the theme that you'll be using. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.